Hey everybody, it's Brandon with 101 Barnyard, and what you're looking at is my new Zippo. I got this in the States. Let's pause my movie. I'm watching Star Wars. The third Revenge of the Sith. Alright, anyway, back to this. This is the 24... Come on, focus. 24880 Zippo cards. If you're interested in buying one of these, it costs $29.95. Alright, let's get this opened. I'm gonna open it from the bottom because it's easier that way. I'm not gonna open the cards or anything because I'm collecting them. Alright. Come on. That's the bottom's open. Let's take the cards out. Bicycle playing cards. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm using one hand and I'm using one hand. Not lighter for that. Alright, so there we go. Looks the exact same thing. Is that? This is one of the Zippos I really wanted to get. We've got the satin on the back. We got a matte white matte Zippo with a design on the front as the bicycle playing cards. 1932, which is when Zippo was founded by George Blaisdell, something like that. GBB or something. George Blaisdell, something like that. I should know this, but George G. Blaisdell. That's what it was. George G. Blaisdell. Alright, made in USA. Let's see what the bottom stamp says. Zippo, Bradford, Pennsylvania. J of 2011. J, so. Okay, so October of 2011. I'm not gonna open this Zippo because it's just not gonna happen. What's in here? Just that. Alright, let's read the back. Lighter playing cards gift set. High rollers, place your bets. The world famous products of two American companies, the makers of bicycle playing cards and Zippo windproof lighters, are double teamed in Zippo's latest gift set. Together, the makers of bicycle playing cards and Zippo have combined 203 years committed to excellence in producing two legendary, world-recognized projects: playing cards and pocket lighters. This combination gift set ups the ante with a standard deck of bicycle playing cards plus 4 bonus Zippo customized cards. The white matte Zippo lighter featuring a color image design. A fun reminder that legendary products are still made in the USA. Alright, so the MSRP on it was $29.95. I think that's a pretty awesome price for it. Alright. And let's just put it back in this box. I really want to get one of those biohazard Zippos, the yellow with the biohazard sign on it, symbol on it. I really want to get one of those, but that's sooner or later. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and rate, and have a great day. Take care.